What was the trigger? What caught your eye with the electrical industry, the trade?
Honestly, both of my brothers are electricians, and they did it from school. So I always grew up around and around them doing it and talking about it and stuff. And when I was young, I used to think I was going to be a plumber because my granddad was a plumber. And as I got older, I just thought, no, it's not for me. I can't touch toilets and stuff like that. I thought, no, it's definitely not for me. So electrics is clean, isn't it? So I thought, I don't know, I just saw them doing it. And I had like a bit of a break in life. And in my late 20s, I went away travelling for a year and stuff. And I came back and with like a newfound confidence. It sounds really cliche, but I did. And I thought, I can do it. Like, I'd thought about it for a while, but I just didn't have the confidence. And then I just one day had the confidence and I just thought, go for it. And I've not looked back. I love it.
Yeah. Don't forget to pre-order your copy of BS 7671, and you can get it from the iet.org/gettheregs. And pre-orders available now until publication date of the 15th of April 2026.